Hello students, today is Saturday and it is the day of excursion and picnic club. Now in this club we will do one activity today. Now what is that activity? We will visit Sarv Dharam Sthal. Yes, that is we will visit all four holy places which signifies the importance of religions followed in India. But before that, you should know what you mean by religion. So, what is religion? Religion is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, collectively known as Indian religion. So, we all follow these all religions. Some are Hindu, some are Buddhist, some are Jainis, some are Sikhs. They all follow their different religion. But one thing is common in all this religion, that is India. As you can see here, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, and Christianity. Both when we combine, it forms Indian. So you can say this religion combines, shows the significance of unity. So now we should know first what all the holy places or what are the places of worship each religion follow. For Hindu goes to temples, Christian goes to church, Sikh goes to Gurudwara, and Muslims goes to mosque. One by one we will visit all these places further in this video. But before that we should know what you mean by Hinduism. We will one by one get to know more about the religion. So what do you mean by Hinduism? The source of the word Hindu, Sindhu, Hindu Mahasagar, Him Hindu. The term was used by the Christian missionaries. To them, it was strange tribalism, and because Christianity was the only religion to them, any other ideas had to be an ism. So, it is called as Hinduism. Sanatana Dharma, Vedic Dharma, Brahmanism, Brahmical Dharma, or just Dharma. So, this is some about Hinduism. Now we will study 5 facts about Hinduism. What are the 5 facts which is famous for about Hinduism? The first fact is that it is the third largest religion followed by every people in India. Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world, followed by the Christianity, and then it is followed by the Islam. Then the Vedas is the oldest Hindu religion text. The third fact is it is the oldest religion. Before all religion, the first religion which came into existence or which we know is your Hinduism. The other one is your other sacred text. The sacred text is written in this Hinduism only. Now there are some Hindu deities which we follow. Hindu deities means the gods which we worship. We worship Shiva, Ganesha, Rama, Krishna, Vishnu. We worship so many gods. There is not only one god, there are so many gods which are worshipped and they have their own significance. That we are not going in detail. We will see when we see the video. Next one is your, the next religion is your this thing which is followed by the Muslim. So that is the worship place is mosque. A mosque is a place where Muslims worship. A mosque may be small and privately owned. A larger collective mosque is called Masjid Jami. Muslims may attend 5 times a day of ritual prayers or on Friday of congregational prayer. Many mosques have elaborate domes, minarets, and prayer halls. Islam is founded in Arabia by Muhammad between AD 610 and AD 632. Then comes the next is your Christianity, which is followed by all the Christians. It is founded by Jesus Christ, who was crucified around AD 30 in Jerusalem. It was after his death when his followers came to believe in him as a Christ, the Messiah. The last which we are going to study here is your Sikhism. Now, Sikhism comes from the word Sikh, that means disciple. It is the distinct and unique religion, not a set or section of Hinduism or Islam. Guru is made from 2 words, gu, that is speller of ignorance, and Ru, bringer of enlightenment. Now, Gurudwara is the house of worship where all the Sikhs worship. It is a Sikh temple. Vaheguru, it is the name of the God or Almighty. Khalsa is belonging to the divine, pure. Guru Granth Sahib Ji, it is a spiritual scripture of Sikhs. Mool Mantra, basic tenets, there is but one God. True is his name, the creator without fear, without enmity, timeless without birth, that is unborn and self illuminated. So, this is some facts about all the religion. Now, more we are going to see in this video, and you actually going to visit all the places.
Places for worship. Hello friends, I am Sachin. I live in India. It is a very vast country. There are many religions and cultures in India. Today, I am going to visit the different holy places of worship. Let me start with the temple. This is the holy place of worship of Hindus. I removed my shoes and washed my hands before entering the temple. I saw people offering fruits and flowers to the idols. People sing bhajans and offer prayers. We worship different idols. He is a pujari. He looks after the temple. Do you know the holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita? Now, let us visit a mosque. This is the holy place of Muslims. They offer namaz here. The Muslims are the followers of Islam. Their holy book is Quran. There are no idols in the mosque. They pray in the direction of Mecca. Now, let us go to the Gurudwara. It is the place of worship of the Sikhs. There is a flagpole on which the Sikh flag hoists. It can be seen from far away. Before entering, I will remove my shoes and wash my hands. I will cover my head with a cloth and then go inside. I can see people praying. They bow down and give respect to the holy book of Sikhs called Guru Granth Sahib. The devotees or Sangat sing the Gurbani of Sri Guru Granth Sahib in the form of Kirtan. See there, langar is distributed. In the langar, all sit on the floor and food is cooked and served by volunteers. The famous Golden Temple is in Amritsar. Now let us go to church. The church is the holy place of worship of the Christians. It has a cross at the top. On Sundays, all Christians come to church for the Holy Mass. The Holy Mass is offered by the priest. The Christian worship Jesus Christ. The priest reads the Bible, which is the holy book of Christians, and gives a sermon about the teachings of Christ. See there, people are lighting candles and praying to Mother Mary.
So I hope you are all clear with the places or the holy places where people go to worship.